Welcome to Balukhand Wildlife Sanctuary in Konark. This sanctuary is situated near Puri, and the accommodation in the nature camp is known as Nuanai Nature Camp, which has been promoted and provided by Orissa Ecotourism. The nature camp is wonderful according to its location. It is just situated on the banks of the Nuanai river, and the Balukhand sea beach is situated just about a 5 minutes walk from the nature camp. Now about the Balukhand Wildlife Sanctuary, it was heavily destroyed in the cyclone Fani, and then after that the ecotourism government of Orissa have taken various steps in reorganizing and rebuilding this nature camp and preserving the deers here. You can see the Nuanai river here. The Nuanai river flows down in the downstream part of this nature camp into the Bay of Bengal. So let's see some beautiful clippings of Balukhand Wildlife Sanctuary. These are the Swiss tents provided by Nuanai Nature Camp on the banks of Nuanai River. The cost of accommodation in these tents is 4,400 rupees, which includes 3 times meals. These are luxurious accommodations in Nuanai Nature Camp where you can enjoy the panoramic view of the Nuanai River as you see here. Now we are moving to the Balukhand Wildlife Sanctuary Sea Beach, which is just a 3 minutes drive from the Nuanai Nature Camp. Now we will be going for a boat ride in Nuanai River. The boat ride is included in the cost of accommodation in Nuanai Nature Camp. For the boat ride, you need to wake up early because in the boat ride you will be going along the Balukhand Wildlife Sanctuary in the Nuanai River, so we can spot deers in the sanctuary and fishermen catching fishes. But here, as you can see, most of the sanctuary, the plants have been destroyed by the cyclone, but still the experience was memorable.